I'm Holly Powell. I was a casting director for 23 years, and now I have my own audition studio in Los Angeles, Holly Powell Studios. I had the advantage of seeing the casting world from 3 different points of view. I saw it as an independent casting director. I saw it from a network side, where I was head of casting for CBS movies and miniseries. And then I was head of casting for the Greenblatt Gianellari studio. That's Bob Greenblatt, who now runs NBC. I won an Emmy Award for casting a movie of the week called The Incident with Walter Matthau. I also have won the Artios Award. That's the Casting Society of America's award for casting, a movie of the week called Spring Awakening with Sherilyn Fenn. Over the years, I've had the pleasure to give first jobs to actors like Hilary Swank, Reese Witherspoon, and Ryan Reynolds, to name a few. I've been teaching audition workshops for the last 10 years. I formed my audition workshops while I was still casting, as I was seeing the casting world from the 3 different points of view, as an independent casting director, as a network casting director, and as a studio casting director. So in my classes, I have the actors travel through the audition process of reading for a series regular role on television. So I take them through the pre-read with the casting director, the callback for producers, reading for studio executives, and testing at the network.